Hello, today I am on the Pequea Valley Learner Symbaloo to show you how to log into and access vocabulary.com content. So the first way to get logged in to vocab.com is to access the tile here on the Pequea Valley Learner Symbaloo. Once there, you'll click Sign In and you will sign in with Google. Use your pequeavalley.net email address to log in, and then you'll fill out the information that goes along with this form. Once you've done that the very first time and you are set up, you'll come to your dashboard afterwards, as well as every other time you log in using your pequeavalley.net email address. You'll be brought to your personalized dashboard where you can see your challenges, activities, vocabulary jam, as well as any quick lists that you've made or make for yourself. So that's the first way to access your class and information. The second is through a specific URL that your facilitator is going to give you. If I paste in that URL now, you'll notice there is a join as well as join code. So you could ask your facilitator for that. Once you go ahead and put that in, you've joined the class, you're in there, and now you can always use the vocab.com button here to navigate back to your dashboard, see your activities and any assignments that you've been given on vocabulary.com. As always, I hope that this tutorial in getting logged in and joining classes for vocab.com was helpful, and thanks for watching.